Greetings and salutations, folks. I'm Josh from Layzee Acres. Thank you for tuning in. I'm here with Jesse. We're down here at Grand Design. Now, Jesse, you were wondering what to do with your hands, and you decided to put them in your pocket.
In my pocket. That's where I was going.
I usually cross my arms like this.
We can do that too.
Yeah, so we're going to do that. We're down at Grand Design Open House 2025, and this is our first look at the
Series VT. This is our first floor plan in the Series VT, which is going to be our adventure on a Ford all-wheel drive Transit. This is the LVT1.
LVT1, and this is very, very cool. Now, you have it a couple different ways here, Jesse. What's going on this back one?
So with the LVT1 platform, you can do a pop top, or you can do a safari rack up there for a little additional storage, depending how many sleeping spaces you do need. The cool thing about that pop top is it does have ducted AC.
In the pop top?
In the pop top. So you can get about a 35-degree ambient temperature when it's hot out to the inside of that pop top.
Very, very cool. And then we got the safari rack on this one. What else do we have going up on the roof? We have some solar?
Yeah, so in this particular unit, we have 360 watts of solar built in standard. There is also an option that is built on this unit for a solar awning. It's another additional 720 watts of solar.
Okay, we'll see that when we get on the other side.
Yeah.
And then what's going on here with the suspension? Talk to me about this.
So we have the Fox adjustable shocks here on this coach as well. So it's going to give you a much better smooth ride because we are on that all-wheel drive Transit van here. Okay. We have the 5-gallon cassette on this side. You got your outside shower. We did include a couple of flares on opposite side, give you a little better sleep and a little better interior space. Cool. One of the really, really cool things with this coach too is we have that Ford Raptor front grille standard on our entire LVT series. You can kind of see it there as well.
Yeah, that is slick. That looks mean, eh, Jesse?
Oh yeah.
Brandon's doesn't have a mic today, so it's just Jesse and I going back and forth. But we go way back.
We go way back.
Way back. Jesse's been carrying me figuratively and physically for a long time. What's like the towing capacity we have on this?
So obviously that's going to factor into some of your people that are coming with you, the tanks, other stuff you're bringing with you, but it is rated for 6,500 pounds. Wow. You have this built-in ladder. If you were interested, there is a spot already kind of plugged in there for a full-size spare tire kit that you would want on there.
Okay, cool, cool. Let's swing on. You said this has the solar awning?
Yeah.
Now, how am I going to see that? Is it going to look different than a regular awning?
The material looks slightly different if you put your hand on it. Okay. You're also going to feel it right here as well.
Very, very cool.
So it's hard to tell.
Is this still by Gerard? It is.
Yeah. Yeah, still have the wind sensor and everything, but it is really nice to have over 1,000 watts of solar on something that's only 21 feet that you can park in the grocery store. You also have the second alternator built in from Ford, so you have a couple of different ways to charge that house battery, because on this unit you have a 165 amp hour lithium battery, but it's a 48 volt coach. And so you really, with that 165 amp hour lithium battery, you're getting about 84 to 8,800 watt hours.
Wow.
So when we're in this coach, we're talking watt hours because you have a 48 volt AC that runs about 700 to 800 watt hours. So you have about 9 to 10 hours of runtime on a full house battery with that AC.
You were nervous about doing this, and you were running circles around me in this video. So I appreciate you. This is fantastic. Now, this just puts, how does this put away?
So this is a flexible table, right? Okay. Different options for different folks. You can pull it. Typically, when it's inside, you have another mounting bracket there in front of your bench seating. Okay. That way, it's a little shorter table for you. When they're outside, you can expand that. It does come stored there in the bed, so when you have a place, it's some place for it to actually travel to, so it's up out of the way, not bouncing around.
Okay, cool, cool. All right, we'll take a quick second. We'll talk about the inside stuff. Right on, folks. We're inside that adventure van here at Grand Design, and this thing is wicked. Oh, yeah? So we got the rear doors that are going to open up. Maybe we can see that from the outside looking in here at the end of the video. We do have this beautiful cabinetry here. You just kind of pop this free and release it, and it pops up just like an airplane. Feels fantastic. Laundry hamper here. We do have a little bit of storage here that's just magnetized on. And then we have these pop handles. We can pop these free, open this up for more storage. Again, more storage with your paper towel holder, storage down below. You can see all this stuff is extremely well finished here. Double ball bearing drawer guides. And then let's take a look at this over here. Another drawer there, okay. Our breakers and our fuses for some of our electrical are going to be in here. And then popping this down into our bed, we're going to release this like so. Boom. Flip this over. tucks in the way. Look how nicely finished this is off and cut in through here. Super tight everywhere. And then we have our projector screen that's gonna pop down here. We have the switch for that there. Easy peasy to do that. We get another one of these pop-up cabinets here across the top. Really, really well done there. AC venting, really, really cool lights. And let's talk about this bathroom here, Brandon.
I think that's the longest I've ever stood in a shower in a video.
Yes, yes. Look at this rainfall head here. Lights built in, super Euro vibe. We're rotating this around to become our shower door. This is also where our toilet is. Dump truck's gonna fit in through here. It's a 5 gallon cassette toilet, thank you. And then right here's our controls for our actual shower.
And then I guess it's a big deal that we got a window in the bathroom.
A window that opens in the bathroom.
Right.
That's a huge deal on this kind of segment. Our shower door, the rest of it just kind of rotates around here. Super slick and easy to use. Way to save space on this model. That is fantastic. Closing this one up. Oh, I'm sitting in the way, that's the problem. Now, here's our sink. We got this waterfall rain, shower head, sink faucet in through here. We're gonna have drawers. Look at how well this is finished off. Beautiful.
Yeah.
Okay.
It kind of always seems a little different because you can't.
Another drawer there. Undermount cooktop, induction heater cooktop in through there. Pop-up piece here.
Forest River days, everybody's
Okay. And then here's your bench seat. And that table that Jesse was talking about is going to clip on in through here. You probably have that in the short mode. This actually has car seat hooks built into here. We have young kids, and not together.
No.
But
Jesse does as well, and that's why I guess they put this in, because he wanted to take out his kid. And
Exactly.
he needed
exactly. Beautiful Euro windows here too. Spots for the magazines. Obviously swivel type of chairs in through here.
And Grand Design reupholsters these,
Yes.
which is so cool.
And then check out this window here. Very, very cool. Just a brief start to this segment for us. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit us up on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Leave us a comment down below. Have yourself a good day.